Welcome back. Today we'll be making ofada sauce. Here I have some blended green peppers and onions. I have some chopped pomo and some chopped chicken. And then I have some locust beans, also known as eould. The first step is to bleach your palm oil very well. You should be careful with these, and then saute the onions and your eoud. That will fry so it soaks up all of that flavor. And then you go in with the blended green peppers and onions and allow it fry for like 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure to keep stirring at intervals so it doesn't burn. And then you add your seasoning cubes, your salt, and your crayfish if you want to. Mix that all up and allow it to fry for another 5 to 7 minutes, and make sure to keep stirring also so it doesn't burn. You then go in with the pomo and the chicken and every other thing you want to add and mix it all up together and allow it soak it up a little. Here I added some of the water I strained from the green pepper. You can add ordinary water or a meat stock if you want, and then I added some hard-boiled eggs. You then cover it up and allow it cook for about 10 minutes or 8 minutes until it's done, and your ofada sauce is ready. It's also known as ayamase sauce. Make sure to try this out and let me know.